Hi, welcome to TI Squared TED Talks. I'm Jim Holland.
Hi, and I'm Levianne Mirabelli. And today we're going to talk about a tool called Google File Stream and how you can use it to manage all of the files that you might have sitting on your desktop that aren't saved anywhere.
Yeah, so Levianne, we get this question a lot from teachers about where do I back up files and stuff. And so we're going to kind of walk through some of this. It's kind of a two-step process here. First, though, we're going to go set this up. And then next week, we're going to learn how to use it as a backup. So you'll notice here on my computer, if I go to the system tray right down here, this is called the system tray, that I have Google Drive running in the background. And that's because I have Google File Stream or Google for Desktop installed and running. Now you're going to hear those terms interchangeably because Google changed the name of them like they do. So in order to install this, if you'll click on your Start button and just search for Software Center, and you see the Software Center app will be at the top here. Click on that, and then your Software Center will show you some available stuff that can be installed. And you'll see several different things here. Now, if you type in Google here, you're probably going to find that there are three different options here. Backup and sync from Google, we do not use. So do not use backup and sync. Instead, we're going to use either Google File Stream will be here, or it'll be called Google Drive or Google for Desktop. Okay, so you would click on there and go through the installation. Okay, now when you install this, it doesn't look like it did anything, but really what it does is it puts that icon down here in the system tray. If at any time that icon's not there, then you would come back here and type in Google Drive, Google Drive here, and you'll see that here's like the Google Drive app or Google File Stream. And if you click on that, it doesn't look like it does anything, but it starts that running in the background here. Okay, so what it does is kind of hard to explain, so we're just going to show you here. If I click on, I'm going to open up a folder here, and then I'm going to show you what this does. So you're going to see, if I go to my PC here, you see I have a folder called Google Drive. That's my Google Drive folder. So if I double click on that, then you're going to see there's my drive versus all those shared drives, you know, that from our team and other things. So if I double click on that, you're going to see all the folders that I have and then the subfolders. So I have a folder called Sandbox. I have my own personal Sandbox folder where I put stuff. And so all that is doing is it's letting me access my Google Drive using this drive letter. Now that doesn't sound like a big deal, but it really is very, very helpful. So for example, I have this flowers background that you see behind me that I saved on my desktop. If I wanted to put that file in my Google Drive, then I can just I can just drag it here and drop it into my Sandbox. It's not going to take it away from here on my desktop, but it's going to back it up to my drive, my Sandbox folder in Google Drive or Google Drive File Stream.
Hey, Jim.
Now, yes, go ahead, Levianne.
I have a quick question. So on your desktop, you've got a whole folder that says desktop stuff. Can you drag a whole folder in there?
Yeah, absolutely. So I could drag this whole folder and drop it in there, and it would, everything in there then would take it into the that folder that I have selected here. Now keep in mind that I can also do this to our shared drive. So we have a TI Squared shared drive. We could drop stuff in here, and we can put whole folders. That way we can quickly copy things rather than one by one. Now, because you get that G drive, that letter, that also means any application that you use that brings up a file save as box, you can save stuff directly to your Google Drive. For example, an email. If I have an attachment, then I could do that. Sarah Grenier sent me a great attachment here, and I'm going to, if I need to save as, I'm going to save it directly into my Google Drive. Look, here's my Google Drive on the left here. I can go into my drive, I can go into, whatever I want, whichever folder, and just save it there. And so that way I'm saving things directly into my Google Drive. And that way I don't have a bunch of stuff on my desktop to clutter that up. So we have to install, from the Software Center, we install Google Drive, and then that makes it have a drive letter that we can always access. Now, if you don't have a folder icon down here, then what you can do, if you don't have that right there, if you come down here to your system tray and you click on the Google Drive icon, you'll notice that there's a folder here, and there's also some settings that you can change here. Okay, if I click on that, then it's going to open up that same window. So that's how we set up Google Drive for desktop, or sometimes referred to as Google Drive file stream. You're going to see that both ways. But this will get you on the road toward really kind of the end of the year and getting everything set up. So hope you've enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, certainly you can contact your CTAC members, or you can contact TI Squared. So thank you for watching our TED Talk. We'll see you next time.